What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode. And on the channel today I'm going to be showing you how to support our melons. So the melons are in the greenhouse and they'll stay in the greenhouse, so we need to create a support for them. So we're in our greenhouse and you can see we've got a little bit of a pathway now. Well, that's just because we've been moving some stuff. But you can see our melon plants here. Right. Alright, that's the bottom of the pot. So yeah, this is the lowest that we're going to go with our canes. So, and then we're going to move probably to here, then here, and then finally all the way up here. So we've got it into place, and so I'm going to go double cable tie this. So I'm just getting these first cable tie into place. Right, getting the second one to cable tie into place now. So that's two of them into place. So I'm just going to get the next, or the other side tied. Right, that's that one into place. So we've now got all four into place. We did one on camera and we did the other three off camera. But I'm gonna take a short little break. I need to get a drink. It is quite humid in here. And then I'll be back to clip into place, the bottoms into place. So I just had my little break quickly. I got a drink and now we're back at it. Yeah, I told you before, just before I went and had my break, that we got the 4 canes into place. And obviously, because we live in the UK, we have to grow our melons in our greenhouse because the weather is just doesn't work with outside. We have rain, we have windiness and whatever. In some parts of America, you might have better luck, and other hot countries like that. But I'm just gonna get some clips into place. So I'm just putting the first clip into place. So that's one clip. So that's 2 clips into place. Is that in? Yeah. Oh, that's not exactly growing vertically, is it? So as this gets longer, we can clip it into place up here. So like as this gets longer, you can see it's not quite long enough yet, but once it gets longer we can clip, and each time it grows we can clip it into place. So we've got all of the clips now into place. So you can see we've tied up that one, and we did a few more on this one as well. But that was a lot easier than trying to put string into place. So I'm gonna go outside, and that's where we will wrap up the video. So you just saw just a minute ago that we got all the clips into place, and as it gets taller we can clip more and more. And the main reason we did this is because it means more air circulation, and it means less chance of disease. So more air circulation means more pollinators, which will pollinate the flowers, make the fruits nice, and we can get more fruits. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As always, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. When you do this, don't forget to click all. So there's two videos popping up now. One is the making of the greenhouse, and one is the first of the big plant out weekend. But the video is about to end, so you do need to click quickly, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye guys.